Future Makers.
Let's make hypnotizers. With this FutureMakers Spark, your learners will get hands-on with elastic potential energy and kinetic energy by building a machine that creates spin art. They'll wind up, release, and watch markers turn a single dot into hypnotic spirals and optical illusions. Here's what each learner receives to make a hypnotizer. A set of markers, a wind-up mechanism with a special connector, a foam handle, a square platform, a pack of adhesive sticky notes, an instructions sheet, and a reusable, reclosable bag. To build your hypnotizer, start with the wind-up mechanism. This is the motor that makes things go. Insert the mechanism knob first into the rectangular opening in the handle. Adjust it so it fits snugly. You should be able to hold the handle with one hand and turn the small knob with the other, and it shouldn't come out. Press the square platform securely onto the wind-up mechanism's connector. Let's practice making it spin. Grip and turn the knob several times. We'll need to keep the energy stored in the mechanism, so use a free finger to stop and start it. Practice adding energy and making it stop and start. When you feel any resistance, stop. Let go and watch the platform spin. Don't force or overwind your mechanism. You might break it. Now it's time to make your first piece of spin art. Take one sticky note from your pad and attach it to the platform. Press it on tight. Use your wind-up technique to keep the platform still and get a marker ready. Once you finish winding the knob and the platform starts spinning, gently touch the marker down to the spinning paper. Instead of a single dot, you'll see a circle appear. Slowly move the marker towards the center and away from it. You'll see spirals forming. Let the platform spin until the mechanism runs out of stored energy. Look at what you've created, a hypnotic spiral. Using a different colored marker, create another spiral on top of the one you've made. See how the colors interact? They're starting to blend. For a different experiment, move your paper off-center, wind it up, and start a new spiral. Make it smaller or bigger and use different colors. Notice that the overlapping spirals create an even more intriguing pattern. This is called a moire pattern, where two spirals intersect, creating a hypnotic optical illusion. What if you use two markers at the same time? Experiment. There's no wrong way to explore. This project is all about storing and releasing energy. Inside the wind-up mechanism is a series of gears connected to a spring. As you turn the knob, energy from your hand transfers through gears that turn big movements into very small movements. The spring tightens until you feel resistance. That resistance is stored elastic potential energy. Energy stored in the tightened spring, waiting to be released. When you let go, the spring reverses, releasing kinetic energy, motion that makes the platform spin. If sticky notes slip off easily, press down firmly on the adhesive edge and squeeze it into the platform surface. Some learners will try to put the entire sticky note pad on the platform. It's a cool idea, but will probably fall off. Encourage them to use one note at a time. If a learner's platform won't spin, check that the mechanism hasn't slipped down through the handle. The mechanism needs to sit in the middle of the handle so the platform can spin freely. This is the most common problem, usually caused by pressing too hard with the marker. You have enough sticky notes to create a whole gallery of artwork. Challenge your learners to contribute their best pieces to a group exhibition. Congratulations on creating hypnotizers. Every spark your learners make is unique and theirs to keep. They'll remember projects like this for years to come. Thanks for watching.
FutureMakers.